fan fried rice. As the name indicates, it's something different from the usual fried rice. Now you can actually enjoy this rice with a nice chili tofu gravy, which I'm going to show you, and it also makes for a very good lunchbox recipe. So let's get ready and check out the recipe. First I'm going to cook 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. Boil some water. Once it comes to a boil, add the washed rice. Add half teaspoon of salt. Cook the rice till it's 3/4 done. The rice has been cooking for 10 minutes. It's about 90% cooked. I'm going to strain it and keep the rice aside. Take a nice wide pan or a wok. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Next add 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced. Next add 1 large carrot cut into juliennes. 1 cup of finely shredded cabbage. $200 grams of thinly sliced mushrooms. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, freshly ground pepper. Stir fry the vegetables for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of spring onion whites, thinly sliced. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add the cooked rice. Add a few chopped spring onion greens to give a nice crunch. Turn off the stove. For the moon fan fried rice, there's a key step, that is to steam the fried rice. For this I've taken a pot, place the stand, add a little water. So I'm using a bamboo steamer. You can use any steamer you have. Cover the base of the steamer using these whole cabbage leaves. Now I'm going to gently place the rice onto the cabbage leaves. Keep the flame on medium and steam the rice for about 10 minutes. The rice has been steaming for 10 minutes. Turn off the stove. Keep it aside. Next I'm going to make a chili tofu gravy. For the chili tofu gravy, first I'm going to cut the tofu. I have about 200 grams. Cut it into large cubes. Season it with a little salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Mix it well. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. So I'm just going to slightly pan fry the tofu on all sides. Fry it till there's a nice golden brown color to it. So the tofu is fried to a nice golden brown color. Turn off the stove and keep the tofu aside. To the same pan, add a little more oil, just another teaspoon. To this add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Add the veggies of 1 onion, half capsicum. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. I've not added any salt at this point because all these sauces that I've added are high in sodium content. To this I'm going to pour half cup of water. To get a thick gravy consistency, I'm going to dissolve 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 2 tablespoons of water. Once the gravy comes to a boil, add the dissolved corn flour mixture. Now add the fried tofu pieces. Simmer the gravy for about 5 minutes. Chili tofu gravy is done. Finally garnish it with some spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. Serve it hot with the moon fan fried rice. So as you can see from the recipe, this is made in a very interesting method and it's a very light fried rice. Now those of you who don't have tofu, who don't enjoy tofu, you can substitute it with some other vegetable. So do try this recipe and enjoy it.
You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.